In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "can't reach this page, took too long to respond" error on Edge and Chrome. If a website keeps timing out or refusing to load properly, one of the most common causes is outdated browser data. Stored cookies and cached files can sometimes conflict with the latest version of a website, which may lead to loading problems in browsers like Chrome and Microsoft Edge. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you'll find access to several settings and tools. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the browser's settings page in a new tab. On the left side, or depending on your browser layout, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the options related to your browsing data, permissions, and protection settings. Now, select Delete Browsing Data. When the pop-up appears, you'll see several boxes that can be checked. For this fix, only check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. It's important to leave the other options unchecked if you only want to target the most common causes of this specific issue without removing more than necessary. After that, click Delete Data. The browser will take a moment to clear those saved files. This process helps remove corrupted or outdated website information that may be preventing the page from loading correctly. In many cases, clearing just these two items is enough to resolve the "took too long to respond" message. Once the data has been deleted, go back and check the website again to see if it works now. Try reloading the page and give it a moment to connect properly. If the issue is being caused by old cookies or cached content, the site should now open normally. If you're using Microsoft Edge instead of Chrome, the process is very similar since both browsers are built in a similar way. The same general steps apply, and clearing cookies and cached files can often fix the same loading problem there as well. Take your time while following each step, and make sure you only select the correct boxes before deleting the data. That's it for this fix, and hopefully your browser is now loading the page properly again.